In this video, we will see that if you are applying for Istanbul Technical University, how can you apply for this university, what steps are needed, what documents are needed, and how can you access to the registration link. And if you don't have any English exam, how can you apply for Istanbul Technical University proficiency exam? First of all, if you write here SIS ITU, SIS means system, ITU means Istanbul Technical University. From here, you can see application and admission related website. You click on this website, and from here, it says that please follow this link to find application procedure for foreigner student. It is for graduate level, but we will also find a link for undergraduate level, the student that are undergraduate and applying for their BS in Turkey. Now, if I click on this one, here I can see many things. Announcements are there. So what is the recent announcement? Announcement is related to the uh, English proficiency exam registration. I have already clicked on that. Let's say if I click on that, what will say? It will guide me to the different situation related to exam. Like here is E2 proficiency exam, and I can apply and fill out form through this link. Even if I am foreigner, I can apply for this one. And after that, I have to submit my fee for my fee uh, for this exam, and I can submit it online through Wakaf Bank. Normally, Istanbul Technical University has his account in Wakaf Bank, a Bank of Turkey, and I can see what kind of fee is there. First of all, let's look for fee. If we see fee, here we can see that for maybe there should be something to translate it, but don't worry, I can translate it. Let's say make it English. Some change, okay, change. For if you are Turkish national and undergraduate pending student, there is a fee of 50 Turkish lira for non-ETU student, and for a foreigner student, it is 100 Turkish lira. Mean that is almost $10 or something. You can apply for this Istanbul Technical University English proficiency exam. Now I am closing this window, and if you see, click here. There is a procedure. Click here to apply for the exam. Let's say what kind of questions are asked here. I should translate it in English for you. Application form for the exam, first stage, then registration of information and exam entry documents. Let's say if I click on that, I am applying for English proficiency. Let's say if I am a foreigner, I should apply that what kind of degree I want to study in Istanbul. Let's say whatever it is the selection. You should fill it according to your need. For example, if you are applying for BA student, then if you are non-registered, you have to create account. For example, if I go back and I click it, a foreigner student, and I should add enter here TJ Kimlik number, mean ke foreigner number. The foreigners are given in Turkey, and from here, after completing this requirement, I can apply for English proficiency exam of ITU. From the same thing, how can we, let's say if I go back, what should I do? If you see, application and admission portal is there. If we want to know that what are the dates of application for the foreigner student, we can access link and information from this as well. For example, English proficiency exam dates are 19 January till 1 Feb. These are registration dates, and exam will be conducted after completion of registration. And if you already qualified with a international exam like TOEFL, IELTS, etc., or English based education, you are exempted from this kind of test. Graduate level applications will be for international students. For students, it will be 26th of November till 7 February. It means they are already been started. And if I look for this international undergraduate admissions, I should click on this. Let's say, look, there is a calendar given, the eligibility criteria is given. Okay, students should be foreigners, who already know, but we should look for the document. Application deadline will be till 18 August, from 2 to 18 August 2021. That was for last year. Most probably it will be same for this year as well, from 2 August to 18 August till 2022. And if I will click on this link, I can access to the application. Look, first of all, I should register myself, and here it says that registration dates is ended. And if we will apply for this year, registration dates will be same. And I should also look for application form. What kind of form is there? If I will fill, it will appear application procedure is there. If I have already told in the previous videos that you should have standardized test scores. For example, like SAT 1, SAT 2, if you are based from GCE, AL, or IB system, you should enter the score of that exams. And if you see for the application requirement, if you have a if you have been graduated from other than Turkey, you should have your diploma in English or Turkish, or if it is in French or other language, you must translate it into English or Turkish. And after translation, completing this, you should get equivalency certificate from Ministry of Turkey or Embassy of Turkey in your country. And after verification that this diploma is equal to high school level diploma of Turkey, then you can apply for online application. These are simple documents. And you should have official transcript. Transcript means detailed mark sheet of your exam. Or and again, that you should if you are applying for English medium department, you should have a proficiency exam, or you can say the exam like TOEFL, IELTS, or you should apply for proficiency exam of E2 to complete this. Your photo of passport, if you have blue card, residence permit, these will be done later on. But the basic things are high school diploma transcript and a valid test. If you have standardized test scores are again here. I have talked about them in the previous videos as well, that valid test scores are there, that if you are applying for ITU, for example, SAT exam should be there, or SAT level 2 should be there, ACT American testing should be there, or for non-Turkish residents, there should be GCA level could be there, IB is accepted, and German high school proficiency is accepted. France-based examination is accepted, Austria-based and Albania-based. So you should have one of these exams to apply. If you don't have, you are not eligible to apply in Istanbul Technical University. And The application procedure is very easy. The dates are flexible, and the criteria of application is very much, uh, you can say, merit based, and you will be selected if you fulfill these documents and fulfill these requirements. And the website of Istanbul Technical University is very easy to access and very easy to deal. So you can easily, uh, if you want to read out that what kind of faculty is there in Istanbul Technical University, or the department you want to choose, or for example, if you are dealing with a program, what will be the course outline for program. These are very easy thing to access from. For example, if I show one of uh, related documents, you can see that these are very thing to very easy. Here from academic calendar you can access, or from foreigner student there is a separate portal for them. You can easily read information about them. You can see course plans, tuition fee can be accessed. And let's say if I look at course plans, that what kind of course plans are there. For example, I am studying, applying for architecture, and let's say I am talking about 100% architecture, there are because 30% as well. Let's say if I click on this, here I can see semester wise what kind of lessons will be studied by me at the end of 8 semester degree. It is 4 years degree, and I can see, for example, in first semester I will study mathematics 1, an architectural design lesson, basic design and visual arts, English course, and elective course. For example, let's see what are elective courses. Here, history of art, history of culture, philosophy, etc. These are elective courses. Similarly, if I change the department, for example, faculty of mines, and here I can see, here I can also see, look, mining engineering, geological engineering, 100% English. In Istanbul Technical University, some of the departments are 30%, some of them are 100%, and at the same time, choices are available. Like if you want to study mining and engineering processing, you can study in 30% English, 70% will be Turkish. And if you are studying for 100, you can also apply for 100%. And here you can see course outline, that in 8 semesters, what kind of courses will be studied by you. Very easy way to access. Uh, if you have any question, you can ask in comments.